Hi, welcome to Chili's. We had a buffalo chicken salad with ranch. I have a wedding today, looking A+. I have a wedding today, so I'm getting a fuel. Yay! Someone's best day of their life. Let's get ready to party. Have you guys seen that girl who's like on TikTok, who's like the influencer, and she just like they're singing "We Will Rock You" on the train. Oh my gosh. She's like an influencer. And she like does like the TikToks and she's like, "Hi guys." She has an underbite, which I don't know if she like fakes it or like over exaggerates it, but like she'll start off like super energetic and then halfway through she's like almost crying. Yeah, I love her. Anyway, my ends are dead. Ooh. Ah, nice. My phone has legit 10%, so let's play a game. Can we film doing our makeup before time runs out? I decided this morning, because usually like, okay, my brain is very weird, and this lighting is also very weird, but I feel like train intermission. Sometimes I feel like I can only handle doing like one look a day, and if that's my brain, I'm gonna give it to you as my bride. Like, you are gonna be the one that's gonna look good. I feel a little bit fueled and like rested. I don't take on as many brides. I haven't been advertising for brides as of late, so I don't book too many. So it hasn't been too overwhelming lately. So why did I pump out another pump of foundation? The world may never know. But yeah, I haven't been advertising, booking, so I haven't been getting too many like clients, which is fine for me right now in this moment. From this moment, I was looking for this forever. Okay, I have to stop. I feel very ballady. Maybe in the car ride, I'll like throw on some Shania Twain and like go off. So I'm in Sandy. Wedding is at Tracy, at Lincoln. I call it Lincoln Park. It's Liberty Park. I don't know why I started calling it Lincoln Park, but it just stuck and it hasn't gone away since. I feel like I need to find a safe place in my home for makeup, and like if I could do it like on my balcony every morning with a cup of coffee on my balcony doing some makeup. Oh, that sounds divine. Maybe if I streamlined it and like made it cleaner, that's my goal. Okay, I have a goal right now. I just made it. I want to get like a really nice makeup kit bag for my personal that has a lock because the reason I can't have it at home is because my kids get into it. And then I decided before I had kids, because I like saw all these social media posts where like kids would get into makeup and their parents would be like angry, like want to kill them. And I was like, that's not gonna be me. Kids are adventurous, like that will never be me. I will always just like lock my makeup up. So whenever my kids do get into my makeup, I never make it like a huge deal. I never scream or yell or do anything to them. I just kind of like I go with the flow, ho. Also, okay, it literally warms my heart, my cold, dead heart, when you guys come in and tell me you follow me on TikTok. The other day, a girl, I don't know if you follow my TikTok, but I don't know if you follow me here. She came in, she has a baby the same age. She took her like announcement pictures for her baby here, and she was like so cute. She bought little butterfly glasses for her daughter, and her son was so cute. I literally love when you guys tell me stuff like that, because I really just sit on my phone and spend all day posting on the internet trying to get some like recognition for owning this place. Not recognition, but like marketing, you know? And when it like works, my heart can't handle it. I die. I fully die. Okay, we're gonna do something a little simple. We're gonna grab my the tot. And I'm trying to keep this under 15 minutes so then I can go. And just do a little smoky eye. A little smoke. I'm so concentrated, I'm sorry. So boring. If I wasn't trying to go so fast, I would speak to you more. Let's grab a little black and put it right there. Just to like, all right, let's grab some champagne. It's not champagne, it's called Aura. Okay. Oh, we're at 9 minutes and I'm almost done. Yeah. I've been into Cajal on my waterline again. I'm obsessed. I'm gonna blend that out. Hi there, how are you guys?
We're not too bad today. Only these.
We are on our way. Got my kit, got my mask, and we're going. I'm stressed. Oh my gosh. Okay, the fire outside. Not the best day for an outdoor wedding, but I'm sure it'll be beautiful regardless. Where did my hubby park? Funniest thing I've ever seen. I don't know why it's so funny to me. The dog isn't booking it like it was before, but it was literally pulling. Oh, here we go. Here he goes. I'll be able to do a lot because my phone is dead, but we're here. How cute is this for their venue? I don't know how it works. Let me see if I can sneak a peek. They got like birds and stuff. That'll be cute. Follow. Cute. And they're getting married there. My bride is over there. Let's go find her. I have a phobia. I'm at the Quick Quack. I have a phobia of like getting onto the track thing. Ah, we're gonna do it together, but I literally am so anxious right now. Anyway, I have like a pass here because car washes are life. I don't know if it is the smoke in the air, but my car is so gross. Anyway, I obviously left my bride. I never want to film like when I'm actually with the bride unless I know them. I just want to like, it's their day. I don't want to overwhelm them. She was so cute, so nice, spouse adorable. They were lovely, literally the best couple. So cute. Congratulations, you two. Happy second wedding. Happy wedding 2.0. Yeah, it was precious.
How are you doing today?
Good, how are you?
I'm doing alright. Would you like to touch me?
Yes, please.
There we go. Is there anything else to do for you?
Nope.
Alright, have a good one then.
You too. I got a dash wipe. Okay, here's where the anxiety starts. I'm so nervous. Oh my gosh, I hate it, 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 I hate it. Oh my god, I did it. I did it so seamlessly. I don't think it was seamless enough. Did I make it? Yay! Okay, sit back and relax. Ooh, this is so fun. Should we? Like, no one ever goes to the car wash? Hi. I got a kiss. I love you. Oh, here's your feet. I'm going to get you. I'm going to get you. You like this one? You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You'll never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away. Yeah. I love you. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You'll never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away. Yeah. Come take a picture. Come here. Come here. You want to come take a picture with us?
Yeah.
Cheese. look up.
Did you hide the board?
Stella! We're looking for the life board.
Yeah, your board.
I decided today I'm setting my coffee up to go for tomorrow because I don't want to deal with that in the morning and I want to wake up earlier. So I'm set to go.